Exercise 2.7 sixth problem. In a GP, the ninth term is 32,805 and sixth term is 1,215. Find the 12th term. For the sixth problem, first to take and write given. Ninth term is written as T9 equal to 32,805. For in a GP, we know the formula. Eighth term Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. So that is Tn, for that you suppose you forgotten, you write this Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. So that is A into R power n minus 1 means 9 minus 1, that is 8. That is equal to 32,805. It is called it as equation number 1. Also given sixth term is 1,215. So it is written as A into R power 6 minus 1. So that is 5. So 1,215. So it is called it as equation number 2. So now you have to 1 by 2. The equation 1 by 2. So that is A into R power 8 by A into R power 5. That is equal to 32,805 by 1,215. So A cancel. For R 5 times is there. So 8 is here. So 5 is removed. So remaining 3. So for this one fully you have to make cancel. Here you have to make cancel only the power. So R into R 5 times is there. Here it is R into R 8 times is there. 5 times is removed. So which is remaining 3 times. So left hand side and right hand side separately you have to make cancel. Then here you have to use the 5 table. First 2 5s are 10. Balance 2 4 5s are 20. Then balance 1 15 3. So here 6 5s are 30, then 28, 5 5s are 25, then 3 30, that is 6 5s are 30, 1 5 is 5. So then again it is a next ninth table. For it is 2 9s are 18, balance is 6, so 7 9s are 63. For here 7 9s are 63. Balance 2, 2 9s are 18, balance 8, 9 9s are 81. Then again ninth table, 3 9s are 27, for it is 8 9s are 72, 1 9 is 9. So now 3 table, 1 3 is 3, for 2 3s are 6, balance 2, 7 3s are 21. For here, for after cancelling we have R cube equal to 27. It is a cubic number. R cube equal to 3 cube. It is written as a 3 cube. So the base are powers are same, so we have to equate the base. Powers are same, we have to equate the base. So that is R equal to 3. So R equal to 3. Now you have to substitute in the equation 2. So that is equation 2 is A into R power 5. So that is A into, for here it is A into 3 power 5 equal to 1,215. Any one of the equation we have to substitute in equation 1 or equation 2. So now for A equal to, we got to transpose this 3 power 5. So that is equal to 1,215 by 3 power 5. Thus that is 3 into 3 into 3 5 times. So now you have to make cancel. 1 3 is 3. It is 4 3s are 12. Then it is 1 not divisible by 3. So 0. 5 3s are 15. Again it is 3. 1 3 is 3. Balance 1, 3 3s are 9, balance 1, 5 3s are 15. Again 3. It is 4 3s are 12, balance 1, 5 3s are 15. Again it is 3. 15 times. Then again it is 5 times. So after cancelling A equal to 5. So it is a 3 power 5. For you have to substitute, we have a 2 equation. You have to substitute in equation 1 or 2. You have to find a value. Now we found A is 5. We want to find a 12th term. 12th term T12 equal to A into R power n minus 1. N is here 12. 12 minus 1. So A is, we found that 5. R 3. For 12 minus 1 is 11. So 12th term is 5 into 3 power 11. Now the 7th question. Find the 10th term of a GP whose 8th term is 768 and the common ratio is 2. Common ratio is R. So 8th term is given. Using that we want to find the 10th term. Find the 7th question. First, what are the things given? Take and write. Common ratio, that is denoted by R. R equal to 2. Then 8th term 768. For a Tn equal to a into r power n minus 1. So it is written as a into r power 8 minus 1, that is 7, equal to 768. For r value is 2. So a into 2 power 7 into 768. You no need to expand this 2 power 7. Directly you have to make cancel. That is for a equal to 768 by 2 power 7. So that is you have to make it as a power of 2 to the power of numbers. So that is you have to use the prime factorization. The previous problem also like that you have to find, or the same cancelling method you have to follow. So you get it as 2 power for 8 into 3. For 8 times it is there. It is 2 power 8 into 3 by 2 power 7. So here 2 power 7 for 2 power 8 is there, cancel. For 7 times it is removed, so remaining 1 into 3. So it is a equal to here 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. After cancelling here you have, for it is 2 into 3. So 2 3s are 6. A equal to 6, r equal to 2. 10th term we want to find. So a equal T10 equal to a into r power 10 minus 1. So that is a we found 6, or it is given to power 9. 6 into 2 power 9. For it is the 10th term. For it is 2 power 9 value, we have to expand it. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is a 9 times we have to find. So that is 6 into 512. So 6 into 512 you have to make multiple, that is 3072. 8th problem, if A, B, C are in AP, then show that 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in GP. For it is in a AP, you know, for AP means it is T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. For a GP, how you have to prove it as a GP? That is a ratio. We have to apply the ratio R equal to T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. Then we have to prove that given one is in a GP or in a GP. Given A, B, C are in AP. AP means we know it have to satisfy the condition T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. That is, it is T1, T2, T3. So B minus A is equal to C minus B. So it is T1, T2, T3. So now for it has, you have to arrange the terms. Minus B take to this moves to left hand side, minus A moves to right hand side. So B plus B 2B. It is C plus A or A plus CA. I make it as in the order. We want to prove 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in GP. GP means it have to satisfy this condition. R equal to T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. It is T1, T2, T3. T2 is 3 power B, T1 is 3 power A, T3 is 3 power C, T2 is 3 power B. So it is in a ratio, you have to make a cross multiplication. So that is 3 power B into 3 power B is equal to 3 power A into 3 power C. So it is A power M into A power N. So A power M plus N. So B plus B. So that is 2B. It is 3 power A plus C. So now the bases are equal. Base are equal. So we have to equate the powers. So 2B is equal to A plus C. Now you have to check. For it using that given condition, what you found? 2B equal to A plus C. For in the GP also we get 2B equal to A plus C. So hence it is proved. 9th question, in a GP, the product of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and sum of the product of 2 terms taken at a time is 57 by 2. Find the 3 terms. So given the product of the 3 consecutive terms is 27. So consecutive terms we have to consider A by R, A, AR. So then their product, sum of the, for it is sum of the product of 2 terms taken at a time. That is 57 by 2. Now we will see this problem. Let the 3 consecutive terms, that means continuous terms of GP equal to A by R, A, AR. First condition for their product. So the 3 consecutive terms product is 27, that is A by R into A into AR equal to 27. So now this or for denominator or numerator are cancelled. So A into A, that is A cube equal to 27 is written as 3 cube. Base are same, so we have to equate the powers. So A equal to 3. So condition number 2, that is for it is a, for we have that a by r, 3 terms a by r, a r. For that is for a by r into a into a r, for a by r into a plus a into a r, then a r into a by r. So their sum equal to 57 by 2. For the statement is need you have to write, otherwise just directly you have to write the 3 terms a by r into a plus a into ar plus ar into a by r equal to 57 by 2. This is the meaning for the second condition. So that is a into a square by r, a square into r, for r cancel, it is a square equal to 57 by 2. For in these 3 terms a square is common, so 1 by r plus 1 equal to 57 by 2. Now a square into, for you have to take a LCM, r is common. So already it is r in the denominator, so 1 plus, for r is there, so LCM into r, so it is r square plus r equal to 57 by 2. Suppose you have a doubt, 1 by r plus 1, we want to take a LCM. So LCM is r, so that is LCM is r, so it is 1 by r plus, for here it is meaning is 1 is there, so what is that meaning? 1 is there, so r into r by 1 into r plus, so this is 1 by 1 is meaning, so that is 1 into r by 1 into r, this is the meaning, so that is 1 by r plus r square by r plus r by r. So they commonly taken LCM, this is the meaning, so that is equal to 1 plus r square plus r by r equal to 57 by 2. No need to write this explanation, just you store in your mind. So directly you have to use this LCM method. So for now here it is 1 plus r a square into 1 plus r square plus r by r equal to 57 by 2. So that is a value we found that a is equal to 3. A value we found that is a equal to 3. So a square value 9. 9 into 1 plus r square plus r by r, 57 by 2. So now cancelling is possible, we have to make cancel. This 9 transpose to right hand side. 1 plus r square plus r by r equal to 57 by 2 is there, 2 into 9. So 57 is there. 3 table is possible. 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3, balance 2, so that is 9 3s are 27. So 19 by 2 into 3, so that is 19 by 6. So you have to take a cross multiplication, so that is 6 is common for these 3 terms. So 6r square plus 6 into r plus 6 equal to 19 into r. So all the terms take in the one side, left hand side. 6r square plus 6r, this minus 19r plus 6 equal to 0. So that is 6r square, you have to simplify these two, that is minus 13r plus 6 equal to 0. So you have to find the factorization form, that is 6 into 6, 6 are 36. We need to get the adding value is minus 13. So that is 9 4s are 36. Here we need minus, so both you have to use minus. In the beginning we multiple with 6, so finally you have to divide by this 6. So minus 9 by 6 minus 4 by 6. So cancelling is possible, 3 table. For 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Here 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. After cancelling, r minus 3 by 2 into r minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. So r equal to 3 by 2, r equal to 2 by 3. So when r equal to when a equal to 3, r equal to 3 by 2, the terms a by r, a r is equal to, for it you have to substitute the values. The 3 terms in the beginning we assumed, the continuous terms, consecutive terms, a by r, a r. So a into r value is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, for in the denominator it is there, so it is take a reciprocal 2 by 3, then 3 into 3 by 2. So that is 3 3 cancel, 2 3 it is 3, 2 3 it is 9 by 2. When a equal to 3, r equal to 2 by 3. So the 3 terms a by r, a r. So substitute the values 3 by 2 by 3, 3 into 2 by 3. So this 3 denominator 3 for denominator in the numerator. By denominator you have a fraction, so you have to take a reciprocal. This 3 moves to the numerator. So 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2 comma 3, 3 3 cancel 2. So 9 by 2 comma 3 comma 2.